is an old house from the 17th century. The architect Josep Maria Jujol transformed the house between 1915 and 1926 into a summer house for the Lower Pere Negre. The facade is spectacular, with curved zones, religious symbols, and beautiful colors. Finished in epic tribute in form of carousel, dedicated to the Mare de Déu. Inside, we find a scale with a dove, a baroque chapel, and decorative details only made of tencadits and wrought iron.
Jujol also worked the garden and exterior elements, integrating the house in a new urban zone. This work of art is an obvious demonstration of his creative universe, an icon at the Catalan Modernism out of Barcelona. Today, Can Negre belongs to the public space, restored with too much care for preserving the work of one of the best original architects in the 20th century. You can do a guide though, and there are a lot of activities made for school kids.